The action camera market just had its most competitive month in years. GoPro completely reinvented its flagship line with the Mission 1 series. DJI has the variable-aperture Osmo Action 6 sitting on shelves. And Insta360 itself just shocked everyone at NB 2026 by previewing the new Luna series. Three major giants all moving simultaneously. Yet, somehow, the one camera every creator is actually waiting for hasn't even been announced. Today, we're breaking down the leaked specs of the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 and why its sudden silence is the most dangerous move on the board. Mid-2026 is an absolute battleground. On May 28th, GoPro dropped the Mission 1 and Mission 1 Pro with a massive 50-megapixel 1-inch sensor. DJI counterattacked with professional 10-bit color. So, how does the unreleased Ace Pro 3 plan to compete? By changing the hardware physics. The biggest rumor pointing to the Ace Pro 3 is a full 1-inch, 50-megapixel CMOS sensor, continuing the legendary Leica partnership. Moving from a 1.3-inch sensor to a full 1-inch format means a massive jump in light gathering. This isn't just an incremental patch, this is a hardware upgrade targeting low-light helmet mounts at dusk, indoor arenas, and night riding. Combined with Leica tuning, we are looking at a rumored 14 stops of dynamic range, creeping into entry-level mirrorless territory. While the headlines will scream about 8K at 30 frames per second, the real win for working creators is under the hood, 4K at 120 frames per second in pure, uncompressed 10-bit color. No extra grading corrections, no noisy slow motion, just perfectly clean, professional footage that drops straight into a multicam timeline alongside pro bodies. But the real game-changer in Flow State 2.0 is the rumored inclusion of a global shutter. Standard action cameras scan frames sequentially, which creates terrible skew and wobble during fast movement or rapid panning. A hardware-level global shutter captures the entire frame at once, eliminating distortion completely. No software tricks required. Then there is the spec that changes how you actually shoot: battery life. Leaked figures place the Ace Pro 3 at an astonishing 200 minutes of continuous 4K recording. Most of us don't stop shooting because our lenses fail. We stop because of battery anxiety. A 200-minute runtime, backed by a 10-minute fast charge system, completely eradicates that bottleneck for long moto vlogs and endurance sports. On top of that, expect a rugged 16-meter waterproofing depth without a case, and upgraded directional microphones utilizing AI wind noise cancellation to clean up high-speed audio right at the hardware level. With a leaked price point hitting between $549 and $599, it lands dead center against GoPro's Mission 1. The launch window for the second half of 2026 is closing fast, and Insta360 knows it. If these specs translate to real-world performance, the competition is in serious trouble. Are you holding out for the Ace Pro 3, or has the current market already taken your cash? Let me know in the comments below, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.